In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Google Slides into a PDF. This is a quick way to share a presentation so it looks the same on any device and is easy to print or attach to an email. We'll do this right from the Google Slides mobile app, and I'll point out a few tips so everything exports cleanly. First, launch the Google Slides app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account that holds the presentation you want to export, and give the app a moment to sync if you just made recent changes. A stable internet connection helps the export finish without delays. Next, open your presentation. You can tap it from the recent list or browse your folders to find it. Before exporting, take a quick look through your slides. PDFs preserve your layout exactly, so it's a good time to check fonts, images, and slide backgrounds. If you use custom fonts, make sure they're displaying correctly here. The export will capture what you see on screen. Now, look to the top right corner and tap the three dots. Depending on your device, they might appear as vertical or horizontal dots, but both open the same menu. This menu includes options beyond basic editing, and it's where the export tools live. From that menu, choose Share and Export. This is different from the regular share option, which invites people to collaborate. Share and Export is perfect when you want a read-only version that won't change. Then, tap Send a Copy. This tells the app to prepare a standalone file you can distribute. It's ideal when you want to lock in the slide design and avoid accidental edits by others. When the format list appears, select PDF.pdf, then tap OK. PDF is best for consistent viewing and printing, and most recipients can open it without special software. Keep in mind that animations and transitions won't play in a PDF, but your slide layout, images, and text will be preserved. Hyperlinks you've added in slides typically remain clickable in the exported file. After you tap OK, the app will generate the PDF and hand it off to your device's share options. From there, you can choose how you want to send or store it using the tools you already use. If the file is large, give it a moment to finish preparing. That's all there is to it. Open the app, open your presentation, tap the three dots, choose Share and Export, select Send a Copy, and pick PDF with OK. You'll have a clean, professional PDF ready to share in just a few taps.